Welcome to this tutorial on multi-factor authentication on Oracle Cloud. Multi-factor authentication provides an additional layer of security by requiring users to provide a second factor, such as a code sent to a phone, in addition to a password. So, what is covered in the video? How to regain access when you have been locked out, and how to manage and set up multi-factor authentication on new domains. Let's start with how to get support when you're locked out. For paid customers, follow current support process for paid customers to get support for multi-factor authentication. Raise a service request via the MOS support page or by calling support. Please have your My Oracle Support user group number handy as you will be asked for it. Now, for always free, this will be this process. Let's start with the landing page view. Click on the chat function at the bottom right-hand side of the page. In the pop-up, select the Cloud Support Chat by selecting Start Chat. Select your country or region. Enter now your email address. Select the first option in this list. And then click on Start Chat. Send a chat message saying Agent, and then click on Chat with a live agent. Once the agent is with you, ask them to assist you in unlocking your account. They will guide you from this point forward. We will now set up multi-factor authentication for accounts using identity domains. Before we continue, please keep in mind that MFA is enabled by default on all tenancies created after 17th of July, 2023. In the following steps, we will see how we can customize our MFA policies and how to create new methods. From the hamburger menu, select Identity and Security, and then Domains. Once the list of your available domains appears, click on the domain you want to configure. For my case, it will be the default domain. From the menu, select Authentication and check if the following factors are enabled: Mobile App Passcode, Mobile App Notification, Fast ID Online Passkey Authenticator and Bypass Code. You will also have to check if Trusted Devices is enabled. Now go back to the menu, select Domain Policies, and select Security Policy for OCI Console. From the menu, select Sign-On Rules. Here you can edit the already existing rules if you click on these three dots, then select Edit Sign-On Rule and click on Continue. Here you can modify the conditions, modify this rule from all groups to only specific ones, exclude users, and select the factors that you want to use. You can also customize the frequency and the enrollment to be either required or optional. If you want to create a new sign-on rule, you will have to click on Add Sign-On Rule and click on Continue. Here, you will have to provide your rule with a name. Select the conditions that you want to use, enable prompt for an additional factor, and select the factors that you want to use. Select the frequency on every time, for better security, and leave the enrollment on required. Read the consent and check the box, add a justification, then click on Add. Now let's test it by logging out and logging back in with a user belonging to our identity domain. The first time they're logging in, the user will be prompted to enable the multi-factor authentication device. Here, we could use either the Oracle Mobile Authenticator app, you will find the link in the description, or any other authentication app available. It worked. Multi-factor authentication is now enabled.